everybody, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be doing an ASOS gymwear haul. Now ASOS, as you may know, does have their own gymwear brand, and I've actually never tried any items from their collection before, so I wanted to do a video with you guys to see actually how good they are. And also I've literally just drunk some juice and it's just typically gone all over me, so no guys, it's not dribbled, so please excuse that. I haven't even opened it yet, so very excited. I tried to get an array of things so I can really show you guys like the difference between everything. Jumpers that they have, leggings, and their sports bras. Ooh, this is nice. So I'm gonna do like a little unpack with you guys because I haven't actually opened it up to see what the items are like yet. Oh yeah, so I picked up this grey jumper. It's one of those like higher net, similar to what I'm wearing right now, but slightly higher. So this is their range, ASOS 4505. I don't know how they came up with that name, but it's quite cool anyway. It's actually quite thin. Oh, I'm not too keen on the material inside either. It's not one of those soft ones. It's actually quite rough, to be honest. It feels softer on the outside rather than the inside. Ooh, I don't know about that. Can't judge until I've actually tried it on. But it looks a good size. It looks like an oversized jumper. And it has those nice cuffs and slightly higher neck. I don't know how high or high tight this is going to be, so that'll be interesting to see. And then I also bought, I think this is another jumper, but it's a weird material. Oh yeah, I actually quite like this one. I forgot what I ordered, guys, so that's why I'm like, oh yeah! So this is their logo one, and it's actually really rough on the outside. Like, did they get their material wrong? Oh my gosh, I actually feel like they have. This is like outside material, and this is like the inside. Have they like messed it up or something? That's so weird. Yeah, literally. This is the inside. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the inside of the grey. Can you see that roughy material? That is literally it. I don't know if that's the design, but I don't know about that. At least it's softer on the inside, I guess, but the outside just looks really weird. Yeah, I don't know about that one. Ooh, this is a nice blue. I think these are a pair of leggings. Oh, they actually look like a decent size as well, like they're actually going to fit me properly. Oh, the material's quite thick. It's very thick, actually. I have to do the test to see if I actually can see through my hand. The only problem is, oh no, why have they done that? They've added one of those really annoying elastic bands, and it's not even covering the whole of the waistband. It's covering half of it, so the elastic band only comes up to here and the rest is just like no material. So every time you pull this on and off, that is just going to look horrible when it's all twisted. What else do we have? Ooh, we've got grey. I think these are also grey leggings, I believe. Yeah, exactly the same, but in grey, and they've got the little logo at the back. Really nice thick material, really stretchy too. And I have to do a squat test to see if it is squat proof. But it also has that horrible band. So I don't know about these leggings, but I'll have to try it on and see. Now when I picked this one up, it's like a rusty colour. Maroony, reddy colour. Okay, I don't know about this one. It doesn't feel like a sports bra at all. It feels quite flimsy and just pretty cheap, to be honest. And what are these? Well, that's a different kind of inside. Yeah, I don't know about this. This isn't something I would really wear to the gym. It can be quite annoying sometimes because you find something that you really like and it looks good to wear to the gym, but when it comes, it's just one of those cheap feeling, just going to be typically uncomfortable. I know this isn't going to fit me very well. and it's just going to feel horrible on, but we will see. Ooh. Is this a dark grey? I'm literally just throwing all the bags on the floor to sort out another time. Okay, so this is quite similar to the other one I just showed you, but it's not ribbed. It's got like this silky material, but what I don't like is that I actually quite like my sports bras padded, so for all of them so far, well, all of them, I say all of them, only 2 that I've actually showed you guys, haven't been padded, so I don't know if I'll like them too much, but they do feel nice and light. I don't feel like they feel like they're going to be, I don't feel like they're going to feel like going to be quite high supportive. I think they would be probably medium to low support because it just feels quite flimsy. And this is a top I picked up. Ooh, that's odd material. Ooh, I've never felt that before. That's so weird. It doesn't feel like a typical sports top, one of those skin tight, breezy, breathable. It feels really weird. It feels nice and light. It feels like the type of material that would just soak up all your sweat. I know that sounds really horrible to say, but soak up all your sweat. But the back of it's really pretty. That's why I did pick it up. I actually quite liked the neon green on the top, and because we are doing a gym wear haul, I had to pick up a dark colour, and it's exactly the same as the maroony reddy one that I showed you. It's the ribbed colour, but it's in a charcoal colour. I really think this is a nice pretty colour. I quite like wearing dark colours to the gym because when you're working out and you are sweating, I don't like getting sweat patches. Like, for anyone who has been to the gym and worn grey on like a leg day or while you're running and you just get so sweaty, it's, you know, it's so much easier just to go for dark clothing sometimes. And the last item, this looks like part of the ribbed collection. I believe this is the charcoal leggings. These look quite longer but not as stretchy. The material feels really nice and soft, and you have one of those little pockets inside. I don't know what that's supposed to fit in, 1p or something. Sometimes I don't see the point in having really small pockets because you can't exactly fit your keys or anything convenient inside it. I do also love that they have these logos, because do you, when you get those logos that are just like really bulky inside your trousers and it's just itchy and just annoying to get out. So I think that's quite a good design, just to have it flat, non-itchy. Yeah, so guys, I'm gonna try a few of these on for you and we're gonna see how they like. This is the first item. Now, first thoughts, it actually feels quite comfortable, and I do feel like I'm covered quite well, and I don't feel like I'm being rubbed in certain places and just feels uncomfortable. The only thing I would say is that the band does feel odd because it's not supporting me all the way around, it's literally just here, so it doesn't feel that comfortable around my waist. But I think that the overall fit isn't too bad, but the material on the leggings just feels really cheap. It doesn't feel like something I'd be nice and comfortable working out in. It's one of those really synthetic kind of materials. There's no support in the sports top. The trousers fit quite well, which I'm very happy about, so I don't have to do any of that rolling up. I don't actually think it's that see-through either, but it is a very thin material. But this is the first outfit, and I'm going to grab the top to show you guys too. I think the back's actually really nice. It's different. The material's nice and thin and lightweight. I don't know if it's a really sporty type. It's more of a silky type of top. I don't know, I've never felt a material like this before, so it's quite hard to describe. But it's very nice and lightweight and something easy to chuck on. So it's nice and baggy, which I actually quite like. It's also got the high neck and the little logo. So this is the grey. I'm actually quite liking this one. This one feels a lot nicer than the other one actually. It feels more of a cottony, thicker material, which is definitely more comfortable to work out in. The bottoms are very slightly longer, which doesn't bother me too much. it kind of rolls up here a bit, so I'll probably have to roll up the bottom slightly. The only thing is too is that because the sports top is quite long, like normally the support would be higher up, but I feel like it's quite long on me, and these are quite stretchy, so I feel like I just get this overhang. This sports top is actually quite stretchy too, but it doesn't have any padding, so I don't feel like there's the extra support there. But yeah, I think this looks quite nice. And it feels okay, and I don't feel like if you were squatting it would be see-through either. I had to throw on the grey jumper with the grey, so I am all greyed out here. This jumper actually feels really comfortable. I think the reason why they haven't added that nice soft inside is because if this is a workout jumper, then I feel like that material would just be soaking up your sweat and just making it really wet and heavy. Now this is slightly too oversized on me. And with the high neck, it doesn't feel tight, but because it is so high up, I do feel like slightly choking, even though it's not actually choking me by being really tight. I just don't know how I'd feel with such a high neck working out, but I do really love the cuffs and I love the colour. It's just something nice and light to work out in, and just something nice to throw over your workout outfit. I actually think this is my favourite outfit so far, but I'm going to show you guys the last outfit. So this is the last outfit. I've still got the same grey sports top underneath. These are the same blue leggings as the grey ones that I just showed you, but these are actually quite difficult to get on. The jumper is very long. The cuffs aren't that tight as well, so it has this gaping hole, which I don't think is nice. And it's not soft either. I honestly think, if I show you guys, look, this is the outside material. It's really rough. And then this is the inside. Like, it's just an odd material. I've never had a jumper which feels like inside out. I do really love this blue, especially with this kind of nudie thing. It's got a plain back too. To be honest, when you're working out, a nice slouchy jumper is quite nice just to chuck over, but I think I would have preferred a tighter cuff. This is the last item. So overall, I'm actually quite impressed with their items, but there's always a but. I definitely think it's more of a fashion, good looking gym wear than actually feeling comfortable in what you're working out in. But what can I say, they are a fashion brand, so I don't know if I would recommend the first set that I showed you guys, the ribbed one, because it was just a completely different material. I don't feel like I would feel comfortable working out in a material like that. The price that you actually pay for the ASOS 4505 is really affordable, so I can't really complain. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time.